So welcome back guys. Well, I'm uploading a few videos to my explain with examples Facebook page. In case you all were wanting to know whether I have any Facebook page, well, this is what my Facebook page is, facebook.com explain with examples. And in today's tutorial, we will be learning on how to embed HTML within PHP. So let me see how I can do that. I've just opened up my textpad editor, which is Notepad++, and I'll just do one thing. I will also take this thing to the right so that it helps see what I type here. So say I type something like say I mark up my document with a simple input element. The attribute is text, and say the value is let's embed HTML in PHP. Okay, I'll just save it, and I will, okay, it's already on the page, pointed to the page. So let's just reload this. So you can see that we have a neat little text box which has the value of let's embed HTML in PHP written on the screen. The point here is, when I write my PHP scripts, when I write PHP and I write say something, when I want to echo out something, I mean print out something using PHP, I use the echo construct. Okay, and if I just save this and I can just reload this here, you will see that hello world comes. In case you're wondering why it's coming on the same line, we did not have a break tag. And now if I reload this, it will come neatly down. But is it possible that I can directly embed this HTML part, like this markup, a text markup with a value let's embed HTML in PHP, inside PHP? I mean, say if I took this entire thing here and say I put it here, is that possible? I mean, can we do it like that? Well, that's a question for thought, but I mean, if we want to check it out, let's just do one thing. We'll just remove this and we'll remove this. Now this is basically embedding. We are trying to embed a HTML, or rather mix a HTML markup within PHP constructs. So inside the PHP syntax, is this possible? Let's go. Let's first save this. I press Ctrl S, and here I try to reload. Well, it's telling me that it has found an error. There is unexpected this sign, like the less than sign. This is basically opening tag inside HTML. But as far as PHP is concerned, well, it will definitely be unexpected for it, because inside PHP you don't have tags like this which indicates the opening tags. So obviously it's not it's not recognizable as far as the compiler is concerned. And well, that's what it tells. So how do we do it then? Well, we simply use the echo thing. We use the echo, and then we bring this double quotes, or actually single quotes. We'll look at the difference, what the double quote is and what the single quote is. Here basically if we bring the single quote here, and here should be the single quote, and this is again echo PR, and PHP in itself has the line terminator as a semicolon. Okay, so I'll just bring this down, and hopefully now it should work. I'll just bring this a bit here, just save this, and now let's look whether this works. So there you go, it's perfectly working. We have echoed out HTML, and this is how you would be echoing out, or rather mixing HTML inside PHP. It's not only about HTML, it can be JavaScript, it can be other languages. But remember always that when you tend to write some other script inside PHP, it is always to be prefixed with the echo, because the script in itself is not recognized by PHP. So the way to intersperse, or rather embed those scripts inside PHP, has to be with the prefixing of echo done with it. I hope this tutorial at least helps you understand Why? When you try and mix JavaScript or something else, it doesn't work that way. So hopefully now you understand that you need to echo, like you need to add echo before those scripts. But I won't drag this further. Until next tutorial, it's me, Amlan, signing off. Thank you.